Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at ECOX Network, how to connect your wallet, and also how to unlock your ESS. This is what we are going to cover in this video. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. You can as well join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. And if you have not started mining FSE, locate the link in the video description. Do well to start immediately. You still have a lot of time to accumulate more ECS before the final listing day. So here is the app. You also make sure that you have linked your Telegram and your S account. If you click on these three lines here, you are going to locate. Then you click on the settings. So once you click on the setting, you are going to see connect Telegram account. You need to connect your Telegram and your S account. It's very easy to connect. You need to secure your account. Make sure you do that. Connect your Telegram and your S account. To the dashboard, you have to claim make sure you always claim. I still have 8 hours to claim more, and you can see that the green balance I have here is 39. This is the green point I have here, and unconverted is 17,442, while the total mine is 39,992. Weekly ECS is just this. And if you go back to the home as well, you must make sure that you have passed your KYC. For you to enjoy this particular project, you must make sure that you have done your KYC. Without KYC, you are not going to be able to access any feature. And to do that KYC, make sure you do it late at night or early in the morning where the server is not too busy and it's going to work successfully. So over here, you can see that I have total ESC unlock. This is total ESC unlock. Someone just asked me this, have to know how to unlock ECS. You can't unlock ECS just like that. For you to unlock it, we are going to see their latest update on how to unlock this ECS. Now let's go to their Twitter handle. Coming to their Twitter handle, you can now see they are currently doing referral milestones. They say the referral milestones are here. Claim 100%, unlock ECS. What does that mean? If you invite a friend and that person do his or her KYC, automatically you are going to lock 100% of your lock ECS. That is how to unlock it. Now look at what they say. At ECOX, we believe every action counts for a greener planet. To grow a community-conscious community, we are launching a special referral milestone. Now look at it. What's the program? Invite your friend to complete KYC in the ECOX app and earn 100% unlock ECS. Did you see that? So that is the only way we can unlock this. That is the only way I can unlock this. If I don't invite any referrer to complete his or her KYC, this my locked EFCS will continue to be locked. So the only way out right now is to invite friends and let them complete their KYC, and you are going to unlock 100% of this. Now let's continue. The more friends you invite, the higher your rewards. No limits, no share fast, no earn faster. Join now. So this is the only avenue for us to unlock our EFC. So I'm going to, let's look for their latest update concerning on the invitation stuff. So here on how to unlock it, once you invite a referrer, this is the referral program. If you invite a new user and the person successfully passed his or her KYC, you are going to receive 14 locked ESC and 6 free ESS. Now, if you have a direct referral, you are going to lock 2 ECS and 0.5 free CS. Now, indirect referrals is 0.7 lock ECS and 0.3 free ECS. So this is basically how to unlock them. So I believe with this you have known that you cannot just wake up this morning and decide to unlock this. To unlock it, you need to invite your friends and let them complete their KYC, and you are going to receive 100% of your locked ES ECS, sorry. So you are going to earn 100% of your locked ECS. So that is it for this particular locked option. Now going on how to connect our wallet, you have to click on these three lines. If you tap on these three lines again, now you are going to locate your wallet. See your wallet over here. You tap on your wallet. Once you tap on your wallet, you can now see add your Web3 wallet. They made it clear you need to add your Web3 wallet, Web3 wallet, MetaMask, Trust wallet, Bitget wallet, whichever wallet of your choice. So you click on connect here. Now we are going to see different wallet section. We have the Binance, the Ladder Live, the this. Now I'm going to click on search wallet. Once I look for search wallet here, I'm going to connect with Trust Wallet. So you click on Trust Wallet. It's going to redirect you to Trust Wallet. You put your passcode. Requesting chain are not supported. They say requesting chain are not supported. Please wait while redirecting. Okay. Let's wait while redirecting. So right now I'm going to connect. Can you see ECOX Network wants to connect to your wallet? You click on connect, connecting. So why it didn't connect, it was I was using I have my B wallet on my Trust wallet here. So it was on this B account, this particular account. That was why you can see this one I wrote Polygon wallet. That's my B wallet. That was why it didn't connect initially. So let's go back. Can you see right now? They say add your wallet. I need to click on sign in so that I can sign in. It's going to take me back to Trust Wallet. And at this stage, I'm going to sign. Can you see? Put your passcode as well. Connecting. I'm going to give it. And once you finish this connecting, I'll go back to that ECOX. And can you see my wallet is already connected? Very simple. It doesn't stress you to connect your wallet. Can you see? And you can now see on link. To connect your wallet at this stage, you can copy, you can view, you can receive, you can deposit. If you go out to this stage, you can see that I have only 8.403 available ECS. The rest are locked. I have 328 points that is locked, and the total ECOX network token I have is this. So all my token is locked. The only way for me to unlock it is to invite friends and let them complete their KYC so that I can unlock this my ECS. So always remember to complete your rewards received. You must make sure that you also convert your green to ECS. I've already converted before I started recording this video. I don't have any green again to convert. Once you accumulate enough green, you're going to see here you convert it at 10%, 25, 50, 70, 100%, and you are going to receive ECS. They say that one conversion is 0.00093, and once you convert it, they may even take the whole and they may lock the whole and leave you with nothing. So basically this is what you need to do. If you have not started, like I said, locate the link in the video description. Do not forget to do your quest. If you go to the quest, you do your daily rewards, you make a post, you like, you comment, and you share. You do all these things to earn more green. So locate the link in the video description if you have not started. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.